Hello, my name is Carolina Andahar, and today we'll be discussing how to properly install, remove, and maintain your Sesame Safety Lanyard System. Understanding how to safely use and maintain your Sesame Safety Lanyard System will increase pre- and post-flight efficiency. The Safety Lanyard System is pre-fitted with magnetic fidlock receivers designed to easily connect to all your Executive Series GSE products. The Safety Lanyard System has an inline pull strength of more than 80 pounds and has a safety breakaway strength of 45 pounds. Prior to installing the Safety Lanyard System, make sure to inspect the lanyards to ensure there is no damage. Attach the Safety Lanyard System to the fidlock on the covers. The lanyard will connect at any position. Align the lanyard so that it is connected to the covers in a perpendicular position from the aircraft. The lanyard should always be installed so that the lanyard end is pulling into the fidlock and not pulling away. To remove the Safety Lanyard System, rotate the lanyard in so that it is in line with the fidlock's opening. Slide the lanyard's receiver from the fidlock. Clean any dirt or debris off your Executive Series GSE products with warm water and mild soap. Store your Executive Series GSE products in the optional avionics bag or in a dry and safe location. Sesame Technologies Inc. is a proven leader in the field of ground support equipment, and we thank you for making us part of your maintenance program. Thank you for choosing Sesame Technologies Inc. Executive Series GSE for your aircraft protection needs.